Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome you for the mathematics lecture of class 10th. Today we will discuss Unit 4, partial fraction, resolution fraction into partial fractions. Dear students, first we will learn how to define fraction. The quotient of two numbers or algebraic expression is called a fraction. The quotient is indicated by bar. We write the dividend above the bar and divisor below the bar. For example, x square plus 2 over x square minus 2. Next definition is rational fraction, an expression of the form n of x over d of x, where n of x and d of x are polynomials in x with real coefficients and d of x is not equal to 0 is called a rational fraction. For example, x square plus 3 over x plus 1 whole square into x plus 2 and 2x over x minus 1 into x plus 2 are rational fractions. Now, types of rational fraction: proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction, a rational fraction n of x over d of x, where d of x is not equal to 0, is called a proper fraction if the degree of the polynomial n of x in the numerator is less than the degree of the polynomial d of x in denominator. For example, 2 over x plus 1, 2x minus 3 over x square plus 4 and 3x square over x cube plus 1. Improper fraction, a rational fraction n of x over d of x with d of x not equal to 0 is called improper fraction if degree of the polynomial n of x is greater or equal to the degree of the polynomial d of x. For example, 5x over x plus 2 and 6x4 over x cube plus 1. Dear students, we will learn the definition of partial fraction, decomposition of resultant fraction n of x over d of x with d of x not equal to 0. Example, we require to resolve into partial fraction 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 into x plus 3. The degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. Make substitutions of constants. 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 into x minus 3 equals to a over x plus 1 plus b over x minus 3 represented by equation 1. Multiplying throughout by x plus 1 into x minus 3, LCM we get 7x minus 9 equals to a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1 and represented by equation 2. Equation 2 is an identity which true for all values of x and hence for x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 3. Put x equals to 3 in equation 2. 7 into minus 1 minus 9 equals to a into minus 1 minus 3 plus b minus 1 plus 1. So simplify this equation, we get value of a that is equals to 4. Put x equals to 3 in equation 2, we get 7 into 3 minus 9 equals to A 3 minus 3 plus B 3 plus 1. Simplify this equation and we get B equals to 3. Putting values of A and B in equation 1, therefore required partial fractions are 4 over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 1. Hence 7x minus 9 over x plus 1 x minus 3 equals to 4 over x plus 1 plus 3 over x minus 3.